Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEK. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Did this one about a week and a half ago, and that time frame was a weekly. Now we're jumping down into the 60-minute time frame. So real quick, all that means is instead of each one of these bars representing a week's worth of price action, which is what the last video was, now each one only represents 60 minutes worth of time. So we're now looking at a much more condensed version of the chart, and I wanted to do this just because I think it does the best job of showing what's been going on and then what we want to see happen. So the first thing I want to point out is just the nice bullish action of this area right here. Sure, this wasn't the most enjoyable thing, I'm sure, during the pullback, but the point being the pullback did happen within a bullish context, as you know was seen by the increasing 50-period moving average. But the big part, and the dynamic that showed the strength, is how it found support right here at this moving average. Sure, it did drop below it a few times, but you can see it never separated from it, hung right around here, and then on Friday began to pull away, and then today another nice day. So nice to see that this 50-period simple moving average did indeed hold up as support, which we'd want to see it do, if it was tested, which it was, and like I said, and as you can see, it did hold. So that dynamic in and of itself, always a nice little bullish thing to see. So on that note, the 50 period remains a key level of support right now. That's valued at 0.031. So 0.031 still a level of support that you're going to want to see hold. If it does get tested again, another level of support to keep an eye on if the price does pull back is going to be this level right here. This is valued at 0.033. So 0.033 is another area of support that you want to keep an eye on if the price does pull back in the coming days. It has just gone through an area of consolidation here, so it's not like the chart's overextended or anything like that. So we'll see if it even does pull back. In terms of resistance levels, very straightforward. We have these two. First one being up here at 0.0389. You could just call it 0.039 if you wanted to. You can see a couple times here knock the price down. But then the big one is going to be up here at 0.04. After 0.04, as far as I'm concerned, the chart isn't a true blue sky breakout. Make that line a little thicker because it is a very important level of resistance. So I want to really, make that obvious. But 0.04 is really kind of the gateway to the blue sky breakout. But all in all, great looking chart. Everything's holding on, and that's acting like you would want to see it, especially as I've harped on quite a bit, the way the 50 period was able to hold up. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, you will receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our video course, over 8.5 hours of education and teaching that'll show you how to use charts to pull profits out of the market. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening.